How to invite people on Asana. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can invite team or people to join your team on Asana. To do so, first of all, open your web browser on your device and in the search bar type in asana.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, now you'll be taken to the official website of Asana. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. You'll be able to see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and then a pop-up menu will appear. From here, you can click on this profile option right here. By doing so, you'll be able to see your profile page here. At the left side, you'll be able to locate different options. Users simply need to click on Invite Teammates at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear. Now here, you will need to enter the email address of the person whom you'd like to invite to join your team. Click on the box and then enter the email address of that person. Once after entering the email address, if you'd like to add multiple people, you can simply enter the email address of those people and then click on the send button at the right side. By doing so, an invitation link will be sent to that person's email. And now they will be added to your workspace. After they are added to your group, you'll be able to see them at the right side. So by following these steps, you should be able to add team members to your team on Asana. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.